Hi there, we are looking at the Khan assignment on statistical questions. So a statistical question has more than one answer. So if I said, how old are you? And you told me your age, that is not statistical. If I said, what is the typical age of a sixth grader in the state of Massachusetts, that would be a statistical question because some might be 10, some might be 11, some might be 12. If there's variability in the answer and multiple answers, it is statistical. Also the word typical, if something is typical, then it's typically statistical. Like what is the typical number of? What is the typical height of? And that sort of thing. So this question says, determine whether the following is a statistical question. How many text messages have you sent today? That would have one answer, so that is not statistical, okay? Just a regular old question. For the next one, determine whether the following is a statistical question. How many acorns do squirrels typically eat in a day? So here's your word typically. Now this is gonna vary. Some days a squirrel might eat 5, some they might eat 25. I don't know, I have no idea how many acorns a squirrel eats, but it will change, okay? So it's statistical. Did Jose watch television last night? That would be a yes or no question, so it's not statistical. There's only one answer. Determine whether the following is a statistical question. How many internet searches do residents, at Rudolph's retirement home perform each day? Now, this one's tricky because we're talking a bunch of different residents. However, if there's one person, like the manager of the retirement home, and that person is like calculating how many, I'm gonna say statistical because each day it's gonna vary, okay? It's sort of trickily worded, and that was correct. So let's go on for the next one. If you get out of my way, there we go. Determine whether the following is a statistical question. How many days are in June? Not statistical, there is one answer. Only one answer, it's not statistical. And then last one, what is the typical area of an elephant's ear? I'm going to assume that elephants' ears have slightly different sizes, so that is also statistical. Again, if there's more than one answer, it's statistical. If it's like very clear, yes or no, one answer, it is not statistical. All right, good luck with that. See ya.